Now, na obo by na onjawo. Or sim prem now to everlasting. Everlasting. They are considered. I just want you to know that God is with you in your trying moments, in your dying time, in time that hope is lost. God is with you. And it's not amazing that God is telling us that even at the time that there will be sunset, there's not going to be sun that will shine on us. You see, because I had a come on or say, Oria rain show a brim. Yawo Oria ration also, and yawo Oria ration. You got the difference. So as Shrenya, when there's sunrise, let us say it produce a kind of light. But him says area comes with a heat and no yet the scorching sun. The sun is scorching, the sun is scorching. There's a show. So when the sun comes and provides light, at the same time it provides heat. Oriano esring na oriano eshi. Now the power say emra what ewiamuno oriarension. That is what God is saying. He said, at the moment or at the midst of anxiety, at the midst of crisis, at the midst of situation that is above you, God is going to watch over you, that you are not going to find yourself in tribulation. There will not be tribulation upon you. Or say that kind of anxiety, the kind a mania was said by the Samaniano, Erinyao. Oh, Arape, a mania biahed yabetum. The circumstances that we found ourselves, unyame, our kind one time say, oh, massa, bonnet and truyen, a mania truyen, anope, say yameno, only an kind. More ma bonnie bian kind because or no ana can when I say, or moria and she. Even at the time that there is sun. Nti Nyankopon enhu ye mobo na onhwe ye so. Onyi amani mfiri ye so. Onyi kodanda efiri ye so. Sa nyame no emba adenyira enimwaye na enwie yeye. Onyame ema ye nti bumbo ana banabo bia. Anopa nyame enka ye ho. Yo ayakopo ma adwade ayahya asie. Sa adwade enya soronko ema yen. Yo ayakopo ma adwade enye adwada papa elso emfama yen. Yesare se la otwe ayesi mo ma ngwase enka yen. Mo mankuko ento yen. Mo ma boni bia ento yen. Eti Yankopon enka ye ho na onyi emfiri ofidisumfo efidiem. Oba fidie bia embubu. No ma ye ne ye ho ene adwadai. No ma niam nyira enya from emfama yen. He that is, he that was, and he that will forever be with us this morning. And I'm afraid that Kwame Nkwantabisa. I'm for you now, Nkwantabisa. To for Jacopo Asumja Brasum Jenina Sun Kayeho. May the peace of our Lord Jesus surpasses all understanding. be with us this morning. We say assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. It is a beautiful Monday morning. We are here to serve. Yaba na yabo yaba so dia ba besom. And the passport for back tonight exactly 7. Na 7:30 I'll be back with my team. Na adope ya betrasia. Ghana ensem a eko. Opim so it's Royal Majesty 2482 akasa. Now it's very important. I say Ghana kasa na doso. Kasa na doso. Yanya omanya ya adwensi ebesi oman no. Na yenya kasa enya Ghana everybody nya bi tisa asem ama. And you ask yourself the expert when you know more ha. Be chire mu a chire da. Kwame Nkwantabisa nan ekosi atechim. Ya wo expert e wo ban mu. Na kasa de everybody nyame. Everybody na nyangopo. Yenim kasa papa. But how to build the nation, that has become a problem for us. So I be build it oban. I don't be asaba ba yo. I asabdo. Oban ya build it I asaba ba. Kasa yem frama. The oban ide kasa de yede. Israel Majesty 2482 akasa. Sa Ghana yenhwe na yem build it. Oman dan mo ko abso ne hoye kama. The speech that he delivered, the aura that the king carried na efe. Aropa minority kokoso akasa say. Omo be sermon Chief Justice, Inspector General of Police. Na omo buso mu ensem bi efa the arrest of the regional chairman ho. Na government to complete 35 Agenda 111 hospital this year. Agenda 111 hospital no. Aban say afiwe ombehwe se aduasa num de ombe yi afri honum na de akane I don't see about we were talking about that this morning. And party being so one polling station chairman I resign. I party bay and funny see ya. Hey. Afaya koba eroso ya besha sabre dia Mr. Wack Emba Orlando team ni na ready to serve us. Barbara na executive producer be ba be do akwa be jako join us ba me cobra be ba ye di komo enso ewo ho sports tip off ana next anopay ma yanya ne quick na yenkomra.